The past few weeks I've been receiving a lot of messages and a lot of calls, and people were asking me if the World Cup song, the 2022 World Cup song, was plagiarized from Chibadura's song Mudiwa Janet, and it was a very big story. So I need to clarify that question. If you listen closely until the end of the video, you get to know whether that song was really plagiarized from Chibadura's song, or it was another claim which does not hold much water. Plagiarism means taking someone's idea and claim it to be yours. You can take someone's song and claim it to be yours. You can take someone's lyrics and claim the lyrics to be yours. That's plagiarism, and it's infringement of copyright laws. But today we just want to dwell on those two songs mainly, so that we don't lose track of the topic. So first of all, we need to understand two key phrases. The first one is chord progression. A lot of artists have been accused of stealing certain songs when they simply used the same chord progression as the other artist. A chord progression is a sequence of chords used in a song, or basically is the template on which melodies are written upon. If we take all the pop songs around the world, whether it's pop songs from the Western world, from Africa, from anywhere in the world, they use certain chord progressions, and my chord progressions are anakwanda, so it's a certain set of chord progressions that are used and reused and overused over and over and over again. I can give an example. Sungura uses the chord progression, the sequence 1-4-1-5. You find that the majority, or I can safely say 90-something% or even 99% of all Sungura songs use that 1-4-1-5 chord progression. What it means is you can play one instrumental and sing 20, 30, 40, 500, 6,000 songs on just one instrumental. Using the same chord progression is not a crime, because no one owns a chord progression, because my chord progressions are gararipo for thousands and thousands of years on. So chinoza siyana manje between two songs zikushandisa the same chord progression is the melodies. So I want that to be very clear. My chord progressions, no one owns a chord progression. My chord progressions, they are there to be used by anybody and everybody, and the hakuna song is not chord progression. All songs in the world have got chord progressions. Saka at times unotonyora song usingazoti udzokoroza the same chord progression, because my melodies are maybe they are very creative, zoti ari kusiyana from the other ngrini songs, zoti unokunofunga kuti watogadzira chord progression inyowani, but my chord progression kazhinji kacho is very rare for anybody to create a totally new chord progression. Melody is described as a succession of notes, but I want to describe it as the element of a song that you can whistle. So if I play this melody, da, 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 that's the melody. If I put words on that melody, it becomes chemtengure, chemtengure. You can put new words onto a melody. For example, what I've done here is I've used the same melody, that chemtengure melody, and put my own words. So I've not composed the melody, but I've created the words. So pakadaro manje is plagiarism as well, because I've used the same melody agara iripo kudhara. Saka dai muridzi wechemtengure achiri mupenyu, anogona kundisuwa kuti washandisa chi melody yangu, and ipapo ndo pane mwongo weplagiarism, ndo pane essence yeplagiarism, because kukomboza melody is very difficult, but kuisa mawords, anybody can put mawords. I'm sure kubhora maisimbozo nazvichitika pepe. Saka tichitarisa chord progressions, toda kuti ndimbokuratidza one video yandakamboita a few months ago. What I did on this video is I played one chord progression. Reggae. It was a 1-4-1-5 chord progression. So if I play that chord progression, pasina ma melodies aripo angori ma chords chete, no one owns it. But the moment you anatanga play melody ya Comrade Chinks yakabva itaita song ya Comrade Chinks because melody ndo yakadefine that chord progression kuti ichibva from a mere chord progression to a song. Saka chinochinja a mere chord progression to a song melodies manje chinoita to identify two songs dzine same chord progression kuti iyi song yakati iyi song yakati melodies. I'll play this instrumental and then ndoridza different melodies munzo kuchinja kunoita masongs iwaya but ndinchingoshandisa the same chord progression but with different melodies on the keyboards, different melodies on the bass, but ansikuchinja drum, ansikuchinja makods arikuridzwa pa piano, ansikuchinja makods arikuridzwa pa organ. Ndingo play the same thing but chiri kusiyana melodies arikuridzwa pa bass nema melodies arikuridzwa pa keyboards. Here we go. Sapomona chauti masongs asiyane is the melodies but the chord progression ingori imwe cheteyo 1415. So ndoda ku repeat the same thing ndichita iri Sungura manje. I know futi ndambo posta this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the same drums, the same rhythm guitar, the same bass, but my melodies epaliti guitar ndo anenge akasiyana. The chord progression is the same. That's why uchikwanisa kuimba masongs esaya on the same instrumental. But chakusiyana manje is the melodies. Zicharidzwa pachi pa lead guitar. So nambopa example ye reggae. So this is example ye Sungura. Here we go. Saka patakudzoka back to the question of the day kuti song ye Worldcup yakatorwa here pana Mudiwa Janet. Tikatera these two songs dzese dzine reggae feel and dzese dzine tempo yakada kufanana, tempo ndo speed, and dzese dzine chord progression imwe chete. But remember napotaura kuti no one owns a chord progression because chord progression ya Chibadura akaigadzira yagara itongoripo kubvira kare. Chord progression yagara itoripo panotori masongs ereggae jawi ane the same chord progression, but chakasiyana manje is the melodies. So song ipa Worldcup melody yacho na 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 Mudiwa Janet, ndiwe here ungandidaro. Sapa chakafanana is the chord progression, but remember no one owns a chord progression, number one. Number two, chord progression yagara itoripo for thousands of years. Chibadura story yakaicreate this chord progression yagara itongoripo kubvira kudhara. Saka for the simple reason yekuti song ye Worldcup haina kushandisa melody ya Chibadura, it means kuti apana song yakabiwa. Both songs are very good songs, great songs, but apana katora anything from the other. I hope I made myself clear.
Well, it's monosophical. It is what it is. We say it like it.